Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Here are some of the top inexpensive web hosting options that offer a balance between affordability and performance. One will host price starts at $2.95 a month, feature free domain for the first year, free SSL 24, one-click WordPress installation, pro recommended by WordPress, easy to use, excellent uptime, cons, renewal rate can be high to hosting price starts at $1.99 a month, feature free SSL weekly backup 24 supports user-friendly control panel through extremely affordable fast server, good customer service, cons, no free domain with the basic plan. 3 Dreamhost price started at $2.59 month, feature free domain, unlimited traffic, free SSL, one-click WordPress install, pros 97-day money-back guarantee, excellent uptime and privacy protection, cons lack cPanel, limited live chat support. 4 A2 hosting price started at $2.99 a month, feature free SSL, unlimited storage, free side migration, turbo service for faster speed, pros great for performance, fast loading time and good customer support, cons high renewal site, 5 side ground price started at $2.99 a month, feature free SSL, daily backup, unlimited traffic and 24 Sport Pros, excellent customer support, high security and reliability, uptime, cons, limited storage, high renewal fees. 6 iPage price started at $1.99 a month, free domain, free SSL, unlimited storage and bandwidth, 24 Sports Pros, very affordable for beginner, easy to use, cons, favor advanced feature compared to competitor. 7 Namecheap price started at $1.58 a month, feature free domain for first year, 30-day money back guarantee, unlimited bandwidth, pros extremely cheap, good for domain registration as well, cons basic plan has limited resources each for this option provide an affordable entry point for hosting with various features to fit different need. Thank you for watching this video.